You better open them up. Come on. What's in there? Yeah. No, Lisa helped him. He don't even know there were that many. He don't even know there were that many. Oh, Dio mio. Okay. The Easter Bunny was good.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Look at all that.
Luca, say cheese to say cheese to Zia. No, look this way. Zia, Jenny, come on. All right. Open your eggs.
You got two more. That's all. Gotta be a little bit faster the next time.
I know, but by the time we got almost run,
He's slow motion.
But she's not.
Yeah, right. No, it's fine.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Can you give me one?
Yeah. Davidi con li Pam. What does she want?
This one.
Davidi con li Pam. Go ahead. Dami. Luca. Okay. There you go. Say thank you. Grazie.
Gracias.
Prego.